okay, the market around the corner has a whole refrigerator for all these fancy drinks and stuff. There's a whole bunch of coffees, coffee shop things and like that. So I just grab one. You know, it's a coffee color. Usually they have their tan colored cans with coffee and stuff like that. And now I notice that it's Wonder Farm White Fungus Bird's Nest Drink. Special. Oh, let's hope. Fungus de Blanc. Wow. What the heck is in this? Oh. Sugar white fungus rock sugar thickener, synthetic flavor, synthetic sweetener, sodium metabosulfite, and bird's nest. Oh, wow. I just had a pickled egg sandwich and my stomach is not gonna like this. This might be my first vomit alert. Doesn't smell like hardly anything. It smells like somebody's eating pancakes in the other room. It's just very faint. I have a special glass for a special drink. Yeah, it's kind of a clear. It looks like the aloe vera drink. There's like little white bits in it. It's a little thicker than water. Doesn't smell like anything. Wow. Bird's nest drink. Well, I guess that's the white fungus that they're talking about. Well, you know, this is one of those rare instances where it sounds horrifying. It tastes like vanilla. Not bad. I don't know where the bird's nest is in it. I mean, it's sweet. Wow. I kind of like it. Wow, I was not gearing up for this at all. Go Wonder Farm. The white fungus almost tastes like when they shave the young coconut in the drinks. It's kind of like a cross between that and the aloe vera stuff. It's sweet. It's not super sweet, but it tastes like vanilla, or it has a vanilla flavor to it. It's not bad. White fungus bird nest drink. I approve.